This panna cotta is giving spring in every layer. Creamy, colorful, and irresistibly smooth. Stick around to see how we turn simple ingredients into a showstopper. First, take some gelatin sheets and soak them in cold water for 5 minutes. In a saucepan, heat the heavy cream, milk, sugar, and vanilla until just warm. Don't let it boil, we're not making soup. Take it off the heat and whisk in your softened gelatin until fully dissolved. Using the back of a spoon to reduce splash, pour the mixture into your serving glasses for beautifully clean layers. Beautiful! For the next layer, pour in your milk, blended strawberries, vanilla extract, and sugar. Squeeze out your soaked gelatin and stir it into the mixture. Use the same spoon trick to pour it over the chocolate layer. Now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button, because layered desserts deserve layered love. You heard that right. While those are chilling, we'll prepare some fresh strawberry slices for decoration. Top your chilled panna cotta with a sprinkle of powdered sugar, and voila! It's light, bright, and jiggly in all the right ways. A spoonful of spring. And honestly, it's almost soup ready to eat. Almost.